I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a car.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig reinstall. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you don't miss a single video. Use the wax stick and push all the hair going to the back. Take your hot comb and do this very slowly so your wig can lay down flat. Put the wig cap on and push it back some since you're not doing the bald cap method. Add makeup to your wig cap and start to blend it in and match your skin tone. When you put the wig on, make sure it's ear to ear before you start applying it to your skin. Take some hair clips and push all the hair going to the back so you can start applying your lace. Use hairspray an inch away from the hairline and spread it out. And after you're done with that whole section, blow dry it on hot so it can get tacky, and then do some more layers. Now apply the lace in sections and use the end of your comb and press it into your skin. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. Okay, for the sides, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to blow dry it together. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet.
Right now, I'm spraying the hairline with hairspray so it can set and be lasting for a while. And blow dry it and use the end of my comb, of course.
What about her style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Oh, what about her style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh, you trying to leave?
Use makeup onto your lace. I use a darker shade so it can match my skin tone perfectly. And as you can see, it looks natural already. In the level 12. Now to seal in the makeup, use hairspray and spray it onto your hands and press it into the lace and blow dry it on cool. Right now I'm pulling on my wig to make sure it's super secure. This is what you want. Part your hair on both sides of the wig. Take some hair from the back and start to put it in a ponytail. Use the wax stick and start to put it onto the hair. Take some lighter shade of makeup and put it into the part so you can actually see the hairstyle.
You wanna do everything she want to, man.
I'm gonna start to curl the hair, make sure the tip is facing the ceiling, and then you wanna keep the ends out. Open the ponytail bun and then take the end and put the ends in the middle so it can be a bow. Now I'm using hair clips and pushing it into the bow so it can look higher.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a